Hello, and thank you for your interest in RK steel doors. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our sliding doors. Our sliding doors come with a 20mm frame. This is very narrow so that it allows lots of natural light to flow through, as well as from a visual perspective they look very slim and it's very appealing. Our sliding doors don't have a bottom track, so they're all top hung, fixed and installed. This means that if you have underfloor heating there is no issues here, as well as allowing your finished floor level to run all the way through without any interference. Our sliding doors are also available in sizes up to 3 meters high, and you can have different configurations of the sliding doors with 2 doors, 3 or 4, so giving you a large choice there. There is also a large selection of handle types that are available, so there are bigger bar handles or shorter if needed, and the pattern of the bars on the door are all hand produced and welded, so these can be made in different configurations, even curved if required. All of our doors can come in either our standard powder coat finishes or our elite metal finishes. These are custom liquid finishes which are handmade in brass, bronze or gold. Thank you again for your interest in RK Steel. If you are looking to obtain a quotation, please visit our website and use our online door designer to customise and create your own screen. Alternatively, go online, find your nearest showroom and give us a call and we'll be happy to help.